Greetings, friend of karmic affinity. Did you know that there is an ancient ritual, a sacred stillness preserved for thousands of years in secluded monasteries? It requires absolutely no medicine and no modern technology. True healing only needs your breath and your own mindful presence. Tonight, I invite you to enter an esoteric space where mind and body merge to awaken the sleeping physician within each of us. This is a quiet and profound ritual, yet it can revive your life energy and completely transform how you perceive peace at this very moment. The power of 7 minutes of stillness. 7 minutes of immersion is not merely a number. It is a duration just long enough for you to allow your form to slowly find its peaceful harbor, rather than forcing yourself into immediate silence. If the first 5 minutes are merely the awakening of awareness, the additional 2 minutes are when the nervous system truly slows down, helping your body officially switch from a stressful survival state to a miraculous recovery mode, where every cell begins to be cherished and healed most deeply from within your soul. The wisdom of self-healing. This physical form is not just mere flesh and bone. It is a sacred treasure trove holding every memory of the days you strained to struggle against pressure. Mindful breathing now acts as a master key to clear the life force currents that have been blocked for so long. The ancient masters understood that when we create a deep enough stillness, the brain's harsh defense system automatically shuts down to make room for a sense of absolute safety. This is not a brilliant miracle from the outside, but the awakening of bodily wisdom already present in your every blood vessel. With just the gentlest permission from your consciousness, the revival process will begin to operate naturally and completely. The story of the profound forest monks. Come with me back through time to find the deep, ancient forests located at the borders of Laos, Cambodia, Myanmar, and the northern mountains of Thailand, where the breath of Mother Earth remains entirely intact and pure. In the early mornings, when thick mist still blankets the giant trees, you will see the silhouettes of forest monks silently meditating in the absolute tranquility of majestic nature. The space now holds only the whisper of the mountain winds, the clear songs of exotic birds, and the slow heartbeat of a soul that has completely let go of the turning world outside. In that place, the monks do not use modern remedies or advanced medical devices. They learn to heal themselves with their own mindful breath and the deep silence of consciousness. They consider each ancient tree a sacred temple, and every cool breeze a soothing prayer for a weary form after years of arduous practice. The greatest secret they keep is not recorded in any book, but is transmitted through mindful presence and compassion, without the need for any polished words. It is an invisible healing power, radiating from souls that have truly found absolute harmony with this vast universe. When a master sits still beneath the forest canopy, that peace itself is the most precious medicine to soothe every physical ache and wash away all inner melancholy without any forced effort. Now, that profound wisdom from those sacred ancient forests invites you to temporarily set aside all worries and prepare to step through the threshold of the most radiant revival. Illness and the internal disconnection. You need to realize a profound truth. Illness never strikes unexpectedly or suddenly. It is actually the ultimate consequence of a long-term stress process, where your breath is constricted and your mind always seeks to resist the unfolding reality. When the internal connection is severed and you stop listening to your own voice, the physical form begins to sound the alarm through persistent aches and long-standing frailty. Therefore, the truest healing does not lie in the effort to fight the pain, but always begins with the journey of returning to give yourself the gentlest permission to exist at this very moment. Effectiveness and natural healing. As the final breaths of the ritual begin to permeate your consciousness, you will feel an unusual warmth gently spreading through your pores. Your mind has now truly become still and spacious. This is the miraculous moment when your body officially lets go of all defensive layers to enter the deepest state of rest and recovery. The long-standing aches suddenly fade away, and you will find yourself enveloped in a sense of being loved and fully cared for by your own mindful presence. The 4 Steps to Radiant Revival. Now, I invite you to truly step into the cathedral of stillness within your soul to perform the 4-step ritual distilled from ancient times. We begin the first step by reuniting with the breath, the beginning of life. Allow your abdomen to become soft and rise and fall naturally without any coercion. Feel your shoulders, which have been tensed for so long to carry every responsibility, now truly dropping heavily onto the soft mattress. When the shoulders relax and the belly softens, you are sending a peace signal to the entire nervous system that right now, I am completely safe, and there is no threat here. Next, we gently move to the second step with a sacred gesture of receiving. I invite you to turn your palms upward or place them restfully at your sides. Bring your awareness to your palms to feel a warmth slowly spreading and subtle vibrations dancing on your fingertips. This posture is when you officially let go of control and take your hands off the steering wheel of the weary ship of life. You no longer have to grasp or control anything, but merely open your heart like a lotus flower awaiting the morning dew. In this tranquility, we proceed to the 3rd step, where you allow a gentle and pure golden light to envelop your entire form, from the crown of your head to your heels. Feel that warm light weaving through and softly touching the aching areas or places where pain has frequently resided. That light flows like a warm healing rain, washing away all melancholy and soothing the surging waves of anxiety. Let yourself melt into that embrace, where all frailty is cherished most respectfully. Finally, we close the ritual with the 4th step of compassion, by gently placing one hand on the left chest where the heart beats, and the other hand on the lower abdomen, where the ancient survival instinct is held. Smile. A smile of total acceptance toward yourself, and silently whisper loving affirmations. I am healing, and I am truly grateful for the life flowing strongly within me. This relieved smile is the final blessing for you to harmonize completely with yourself and let the natural recovery flow operate most radiantly upon your very flesh. Effectivenesses and natural healing. As the final breaths of the ritual begin to permeate your consciousness, you will feel an unusual warmth gently spreading through your pores. Your mind has now truly become still and spacious. This is the miraculous moment when your body officially lets go of all defensive layers to enter the deepest state of rest and recovery. The long-standing aches suddenly fade away, and you will find yourself enveloped in a sense of being loved and fully cared for by your own mindful presence.